At some point in the life of your security system, you may have to replace the batteries in your wireless transmitters. Wireless transmitters can be used as door and window contacts, as well as other important parts of your alarm system, such as temperature and flood sensors. The battery life of a wireless transmitter can vary based on a number of factors, such as high traffic areas and extreme temperature environments. Your wireless transmitter is equipped with low battery technology that will send a low battery signal to your keypad to alert you before the battery gets too low. Be sure to contact us about putting your system on test before replacing your batteries. Removing the cover from your wireless transmitter can be done in a couple of different ways, depending on the model that you have. Simply press the button to remove the cover, or insert a small screwdriver in the bottom left notch at the base of your transmitter and twist clockwise to pop the cover off. Remove the old battery and replace it with a fresh one. Be sure to insert the battery in the correct orientation. Snap the lid back on the wireless transmitter and perform a sensor reset at your keypad in order to clear the low battery warning. Once the sensor reset is complete, be sure to contact us about taking your system off test. At some point in the life of your security system, you may have to replace the batteries in your wireless transmitters. Be sure to recycle your used lithium batteries in accordance with your state and local guidelines. If you have any questions or problems with your system, feel free to give us a call.